Academia Inglés and Fan presenta Jugando Aprendo. Hello children, here we are in the recycling class online, and today we are going to do two activities, okay? First, we are going to do a ginger man, okay? And of course a Rudolph. Do you remember Rudolph the reindeer? Yes? Perfect. So pick up your bag, your plastic bag que dice Recycling Class 2, and please open the bag con mucho cuidado, okay? Because the materials are so little, so we need all the materials. We are going to start with the ginger man, okay? Are you ready? Perfect. So what we are going to need for the ginger man? We are going to need the eyes, the two eyes. We are going to need glue and this glitter dust, okay? So this is not difficult, so we are going to do it very fast. First, we are going to stick the eyes. So stick one eye there and the second eye next to the first one there, okay? So our ginger man has two eyes. Perfect. Now I will put glue all over the body, in the arms, in the legs, in the tummy. Yes. Of course, ustedes pueden hacerlo de forma distinta. In my case, le puse glue in all the body. And now, ustedes tienen bolsitas, okay, little bags con this glitter. Con mucho cuidado, ok, traten de no ocuparlo todo el glitter porque vamos a ocuparlo para el Rudolph. Entonces, very careful. Empezamos a put all over the ginger man. Y nos va a quedar ready. Le podemos hacer a mouth, le podemos hacer other decorations, but our ginger man is done. Perfect. So I'm going to put my ginger man here. And now voy a hacer the Rudolph. The Rudolph, you are going to need estos pequeños palitos de helado. There are 3, yeah? So what we are going to do is to stick in this way como un triángulo, okay, there. Vamos a poner los eyes de nuestro Rudolph here and here, and the nose va a ir acá. The nose, voy a buscar una nose por acá, voy a hacer como que si esta fuera mi nose, there, ok. After this, también le vamos a poner mucho glitter in all over Rudolph, and we are going to put, of course, glitter over the glue para que nos quede este Rudolph muy bonito. Very beautiful. A este Rudolph ustedes le tienen que colocar la cinta, ¿ok? Se la ponemos, la amarramos acá, yes, y queda ready. Entonces tenemos two decorations, ¿ok? Rudolph and the ginger man. Ok, children, so espero fotos de sus trabajos, ok, para poder subirlo a la página de la academia. See you next class. Bye. Okay, children, so this is our class for today. See you next time.